Hello girlies, it is Lbtwink, and for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Thomas and I'm just a twink trying to live my best fucking life. Today you may be looking at me like, wow, why is this bitch so dressed up? Why did his makeup just fucking snap? Contrary to all the rumors, yes, I am here today because I thought that today would be a good day where I could, you know, just like reorganize my closet. I'm gonna show you guys something. It's a motherfucking disaster, and I just thought, you know,
today I'm gonna do kind of like a decluttering video.
I'm going to go through every single item of clothing in my closet. I don't know why I got so extra and did my makeup and just, you know, kind of dressed up, but I was just, you know, feeling the vibe. Without further ado, I think I'm just gonna start by literally emptying the fuck out of my closet. I think I'm gonna start with this bin that's just sitting right there because that's like all the bullshit in my closet. Throw in there when I don't know what to do with it. Am I the only one who has a really fucked up closet like this? I'm pretty sure it's not just me. I went on Instagram and I told you guys to give me topics of stuff to talk about. The first one that I got was to talk about hate, and yeah, we love getting hate. Lately on my YouTube, I have been starting to like get more comments. People comment some really weird things. My favorite comment is, it was on the video that I was talking about my HIV with. Love that for me. People are fucked up on the internet. I have never been one to just kind of like go out and share my opinion on someone else's situations or even just kind of spread hate on people's videos, so I think it's kind of like a little pathetic. I'm making a pile of clothes I don't want, putting the stuff I do want back into this bin. I think what I'm gonna do with all these clothes, I'm gonna donate them to Goodwill because that's where I know I get most of my clothes now. I swear I have the most random articles of clothing. Like, let's see. A couple years ago, I did like one of those little like neon like blacklight runs. You'd run and they would throw like colored powder on you, but it would glow in the dark and stuff. I remember vividly like when I was first doing it. It was like running and it was the very first part where they would throw color on you. They threw color and I just inhaled a whole bunch of pink fucking shit. It was like pink powder and I literally started choking on it. That was honestly not fun at all. This is a shirt from my ex that I cut up. People honestly are gonna have negative opinions. I don't know who fucking raised them to share them. These sweatpants right here, these are from American Apparel. Do we remember when they were still around? And I just want to know like why these sweatpants, these basic gray ass sweatpants were like so expensive. That is so outrageous for fucking gray sweatpants. At this point, I feel like there's stuff that's been sitting at like the bottom of my closet for so long. This is gonna be good. I'm honestly really excited to have that all reorganized because I'm gonna organize it in a way that I can finally just like see what's in front of me. We know guys wear a lot of basketball shorts. These were a pair of basketball shorts I got, but I literally cut them myself. We have just finished emptying the bin that was sitting in there. There's a garbage bag, that's me, tag yourself. Already I have gotten rid of a lot of clothes. Here is the pile of stuff that I do not want, and here's the pile of stuff I'm gonna keep. I'm wishing myself the best of luck. Look at this fucking lip gloss. Glossier, you onto something, but your prices, they ain't onto something. So now we are going to move on to this corner, which is the left side of my closet. Up in this top drawer, we have my underwear, and in this middle drawer, we have my socks. This bottom drawer, girl, I have no idea what the fuck is going on in here. I literally think these are all just basketball shorts that I'm not ever gonna wear. Throwback to when I used to play volleyball for my high school. I still have these two shorts like this. I used to wear these when I was like fucking 10. It's literally been 9 years and they've just been sitting there. So let's take a look at what's in this corner back here. A bag that Depop gave me when one of my friends and I went and visited their little old headquarters. Steelers jacket. Don't know where that came from because I'm not a Steelers fan. I have my Nike duffel. Don't you love this? I have a big ass bong bag for my bongs. Oh my god, guys. When I was 17, I want to say, I went on a trip with my school at the time. I was homeschooled, but through the program I did, they offered free trips, and I actually ended up doing one. But I ended up going to an organic farm where they took away my cell phone. And I was driven out to the forest, and I was with a group of like 10 other people. I'm pretty sure I was like one of the oldest ones there. We got put on a farm for 10 days. 10 days. It was literally so fucked up. I remember the first couple days I went there, I would literally cry. We found an old lockbox. I used to be like obsessed with this thing. Oh my god, guys, I'm pretty sure I just found a journal I made out of like cardboard. Look at me as a little fetus. My goal is that this book will be filled with a lot of stuff and information. I hope when I make this into a book, it will be the best book in the whole entire world. That's fucking cute. That's all that's really in that corner, and I went ahead and emptied out the bottom drawer. These two are gonna stay. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take everything that's hung up and I'm gonna categorize it. Let's get to that. What I have come upon in my journey of cleaning this closet out is my robe. And this was my childhood robe. I'm like, donation pile. This is gonna be
a tea spill because I just found a shirt.
When I was 17, I go-goed in this show. I was 17, almost 18. I don't mean to call anyone out. This shirt was given to me by Adam Levine's brother. I spent the night in his house once. The guy who designs this shirt, his name is Brian Lichtenberg. I was like 16, this fool slid in my DMs and I like had no idea who he was. And if you're wondering, I am gonna keep this shirt. I have gone ahead and cleaned out my
entire closet.
My room is a fucking disaster right now. I don't know if I even have the mental capacity to like do all of this. The shit show starts. Why do I have so many clothes? I'm literally hanging them in every single last spot I can find. I have no idea what the fuck that is. I have no idea where to fucking start. I'm just going to start by honestly folding my pants and moving them into this bottom drawer. A question that I keep getting asked a lot is, how did my parents or like whoever I live with, how did they find out I was gay? I want to say I was about 14 or 15. It was my freshman year of high school. I came out of the closet like a couple days prior. I lived with my grandma. She was my guardian growing up, and I have no idea how she found out. When she found out, she told me that someone had texted her and had said that I was gay, and kind of have this little theory in my head. One of my siblings that I do not get along with, I am just going to call them they. The day before I had told them that I was gay, I literally think it was one of my own siblings who ratted me out. We don't have the best relationship. I think that might have been like one of the things to start. I think that they wanted to almost kind of get me in trouble. My grandma won't tell me who told her. Why would you not tell me who told you? Because you wouldn't want me to hate them, right? I already have so many pants that I cannot fit in here. So if I don't have room for it, whatever, I'm just not gonna keep it. Okay, so pants, socks, and underwear are put away. Those are staying in there. I'm gonna start with my shoes, and I'm gonna go organize my shoes up onto these top shelves. So what I've gone ahead and done is organize them. I did them, honestly, from like boots to high tops. And then from high tops, I just did it to low top. I'm gonna try to hang up all the clothes. I don't know why I took on this task. This is a lot more than I anticipated. I did not know that my clothes were going to cover my entire room. Yeah,
I ain't even gonna lie, I'm honestly overdoing this shit.
This is starting to become very overwhelming and too much for my mind to process. I'm like a little annoyed with myself right now. I am just going to hang everything up and I'm gonna show you guys after. So I'll be right the fuck back. This is all the stuff that I'm going to donate. I definitely wish I got rid of more. That's a pretty big chunk of clothes. There's a lot of clothes in there. If we open this first side, as you can see, we have everything neatly organized. Starting over here, I have my crop tops, and then I have long sleeve crop tops, and then I go into set. Then I got muscle tees, vests, other shirts, long sleeve shirts. Then over here we have all my overalls. We get into this side of the closet. We have my cat suits right here. Then we just start all my outerwear, which I really don't have much. I think my closet is organized. We are back to the beginning. This is where we all started. That is just going to conclude, honestly, my little closet organization. It took me at least like 3 fucking hours to do this. Love that for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to click that subscribe button if you guys want to join the family. Also, if you guys want to be notified anytime I post, make sure to click that bell notification. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. XOXO Lbtwink.